Okay, so I am new to Twine and I wanted to record just basically like a, let's say, what should we say? Just basically a beginner video about Twine. So these things here are your passages, okay? And what Twine is really, I think it's a gaming tool here. People make stories and upload those to games, and you can actually play it. This is still an editing version, so as you can see, this is still a testing thing, editing version of it. It's not the real thing here, but at any rate, the first thing you want to do is you want to actually create your passages. These are called passages. So I'm going to go into the first one, and I'm going to show you how let's move up. Show you how I created the first passage. So at the top here, I just called my first passage opening door. And then in the body, I'm just going to say person moves to the next room. And then I use two brackets, put in next room, which is actually the hyperlink. And then the person clicks on that and they'll go to their next room. And if you test this out, I have it in debug view. Let me turn that off. They'll go to the next room. And this is the next room. And I haven't done anything for the next room. All right. So we're in the next room. And for the next room, let's say person seems afraid of the images. What should they do? And I have a couple of options. They could, I can say this, should they return to, that's the wrong thing. Should they return to, and if you notice, this is something, these are the passages that I've created. Returning room, the opening door room, or should they go, I'll put or, should they go to new room? And as you can see, a new room was created. Let's test this out. Person moves to the next room, hit the hyperlink, move this around so you can kind of see it a little bit better. Person seems afraid of the images. What should they do? Should they return to this right here? Or this right here? And that'll be the new room. So that's my very first beginner video. And I'm also testing out this screencasting on Twine.